We always have feeling like whenever we get time, we need to come here to find peace because it's our most important place in Buddhism, and we always want to visit this place. And we always have feeling like whenever we get time, we want to come here.
Yeah,
We want to
every time.
find peace. We want to sit here. Oh, great! Can't take our mobile with us because it's have rule list there. This is our mantra mala and statues of Buddha. See the stone statues.
Come on.
Yeah, let's go. Hello guys, welcome in Big On Trip channel. Today we are together and we are visiting nearby temple area, Mahabodhi temple. So yeah, say hi.
I'm Lakshmikanta. Hello everyone.
And I'm Dicky from Sikkim, and thank you for this.
So we are going to travel nearby temple places and we will see what we can see, exciting things here, and what we can see more.
Right, we are going to
We are
explore.
at Bodh Gaya.
Yeah.
The sacred place of Buddha and the most important place of Buddha.
The land of enlightenment.
Yeah.
So we
So
are
let
here.
me
We are
visit-
excited. Right.
You are so much excited because you are coming here for first time, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
This is
we are
for
excited.
the first time I'm visiting Bodh Gaya and super excited.
Yeah, we are super excited and actually looking forward to it. And let's see what happens. Bye.
Come on.
Yeah, let's go. तो अब हम टेंपल के तरफ जा रहे हैं. तो ये मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स जो बुद्धिस्ट क्रिएटर कन्वेंशन में मिले और अब हम वहाँ पर जा रहे हैं टेंपल की तरफ.
And we see lots of statues, the mantra malas out there.
Yeah, see, this is our mantra mala and statues of Buddha. See the stone statues, wooden statue, stone statue, and this one marble statue, I think. So really beautiful things we are seeing here, right? To see this Bodh Gaya marathon. It's running out. It's running here.
Yeah,
123 meters.
It's going to held on first fifth.
Yeah. Would you like to be a part of it?
If you like to come here, so join this marathon.
Or if you are nearby, you can join.
See, here have some trees,
Yeah, banyan.
banyan tree or something. It's so much. It look like a old trees.
Yeah.
I think-
we must have.
Yeah, it's also a times of Buddha or somewhere 1000 or
Oh,
2000 year, I think.
Years ago.
Because
Okay.
I heard about it's a many trees near of Bodh Gaya temple, who is light of Asia. I read before that book. So they said it's more than 100 trees. तो अब हम महाबोधि टेम्पल के गेट के सामने पहुंच रहे हैं. आपको पता है कि यहाँ कैमरा लेके जाना अलाउ नहीं है, लेकिन देखते हैं कैसे.
Cameras are allowed.
नो वी हैव मोबाइल. सर हम गेट शूट कर सकते हैं ना? गेट तो सर ने कहा कि गेट से हम शूट कर सकते हैं,
नहीं.
लेकिन अंदर लेके जाना मना ही है. यू नो आई आस्क्ड देम, दे सेड वी कैन शूट गेट बट नॉट टेक इनसाइड.
Where did you ask?
नीम.
I'll tell you where to ask.
या ओके.
So
सो
we are allowed till the gate.
या
Once are allowed till the gate, then after.
तो हमें यहाँ तक शूट करना है. उसके बाद शायद पता नहीं हमें परमिशन नहीं मिलेगी. मोबाइल को परमिशन नहीं होती यहाँ पर, तो इससे ज़्यादा हम दूर नहीं जा सकते. अंदर तो परमिशन नहीं होती. तो मैं आपको एक बार गेट दिखाना चाहूँगा. दैट इज सो गेट. तो यहाँ पर ये महाबोधि टेम्पल का गेट है. तो ये पीछे की साइड में नियर टेम्पल एंड दिस इज गेट. We can't take our mobile with us because it's have rule list there. We can't take our mobile, but we can shoot here. You can see that this is beautiful temple. We can see from here. And now we will take some information from ma'am. Let's join and say something.
So, friends, I'll tell you a little bit about Bodh Gaya. So, Prince Siddhartha, at the age of 29, left his home from Kapilvastu. And then he went to Rajgraha from there. And Rajgraha, he got 2 gurus to practice meditation because he had 4 major questions: what is suffering, what is the cause of suffering, how it can be, alleviated, and what is the marg, that is Ashtanga marg. So to find the answers, he came down to Magad. Then he found 2 gurus, Alar Kalam and Udak Ramputra. Then he didn't find the answers to his questions. Then he went to Uruvela. Uruvela, he did extreme penance, जहाँ पे उन्होंने बहुत कठिन तपस्या की. उसके बावजूद उनको उनके आंसर्स नहीं मिले और वहाँ पे मिला उनको सुजाता की खीर. सुजाता का खीर खाने के बाद उन्हें मालूम पड़ा व्हाट इज मध्यम मार्ग. तो एक्सट्रीम, कोई भी चीज एक्सट्रीम अच्छी नहीं होती है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड मिडिल पाथ. फिर वहां पर उन्होंने निरंजना नदी पर स्नान किया और यहाँ आके बोधि वृक्ष के नीचे उन्होंने तपस्या की और उन्हें मिला एनलाइटमेंट. सो एवरी बुद्धिस्ट रेस्पेक्ट दिस प्लेस वेरी मच बिकॉज यहाँ पर हमको मिला बोधि का ज्ञान. व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पाथ ऑफ निब्बाना. So this is a story behind Buddha. Everyone must visit.
हमने पहली बार विजिट किया है. मैंने भी पहली बार विजिट किया है और हमारे साथ है डिक्की, उन्होंने भी फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट किया है.
Also first time visitor.
तो हमारी एक्साइटमेंट कुछ ज्यादा ही है. हमें लग रहा है कि हम सर डिक्की, आई हैव क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, लाइक व्हाई वी शुड कम इन बोध गया.
Okay. So hello everyone. I think since in Buddhism they have their teaching like we need to find ourselves. So I must say to the audience, to the viewers, that they should come here, soak themselves in meditation and find their inner self, find the actual peace. So it might help some of you. So thank you.
You are adding the nice response. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
Now we are leaving for lunch because they just give us 1 hour and we make plan to visit here as soon as possible. So do you want to talk?
Yeah, we'll be right here after, if the time permits. We have the session left for us. So after attending the session, we'll come back again.
Yeah, we always have feeling like whenever we get time, we need to come here to find peace because it's our most important place in Buddhism, and we always want to visit this place, and we always have feeling like whenever we get time, we want to come here.
Yeah,
we want to find peace, we want to sit here. Oh great.
So हम सुबह और शाम दोनों समय यहाँ आ रहे हैं और मंदिर में जा रहे हैं. भले ही हम अंदर आपको आप ना ले जा पाए, लेकिन आपकी दुआएं हम अंदर तक लेके जा रहे हैं और वहाँ से भगवान बुद्ध के ब्लेसिंग्स आपको दे रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
हम आपको यहाँ तक तो लेके आए, शायद अंदर भी लेके जाए.
चाहते तो है.
तो ये भी एक्सपीरियंस एक खास है, हम यहाँ तक लेके आए. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर लंच एंड ओके, गुड बाय. We'll meet in another video.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Right, we'll see.